Hello, thank you so much for your love and support. And once again, we are back with another video tutorial for CKS, and this is container image footprint. So, what is the aim of this exercise? The aim is to understand which user a container runs by a default and why running as a root inside the container is a security risk. In CKS, CKS is, I already told you that it's like the final destination movie where everywhere is a hazard and you are living. So CKS security related misconfiguration are a big focus, and one of the container that runs a root inside, giving them a high privilege. If container is compromised, then I think all of the things may come to. An attacker may break out of the container and damage documents. So this lab teaches how to check which user is the container. So this lab teaches how to check which user is running inside a container, how to confirm whether the default Docker file lead to root execution, and why you must enforce non-user as a non-root user via Docker file. Security context, which is a part of CK also. So we'll dig details this, but let's do a simple exercise. Here, little thing is mentioned, but I will add something and I'll clear your little doubt. So first of all, let's build the image. Build the image. So cd yes, I'll copy and I'll paste it here. And now Docker build this base image. So base image is a tag. So control L. This is the base image. So I'll run. So this is a Docker, and that means even assign the container, and D runs in a detached mode. So running a container helps inspect runtime properties like which is active, what process are running. Show the user processes is just I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. Actually, this is sleep is running in the. I can do this thing also at exe c1 and who am I? Who am I? Okay, it's showing it. So that's the key learning. This container is running as a root. So I'll just delete this container. So I'll just post delete it. So this is a little exercise, but what is happening here is we have created a Docker file and build an image from that Docker file and run a container and check which user. And now, and we have deleted the container also. So security context. So to overcome this, whenever we can run a pod, so security context run as non-root equal to true, that can prevent this, and run as a user. Any non-root UID you can place there. So I can tab and I can vi pod.yml. So API version v1 and kind is pod and metadata that name is compulsory, demo pod, and then spec, and here containers, and then name is a c1 I can say, and image is a base image, and security context. So you can find security context in Kubernetes. So this is the security context, and run as a non-root equal to true. So this image from registry. So how do you do that? That image pull policy is never, and command is sleep. So wq key apply -app pod.yml. So key get pods. Sorry, a little error. So in killer coda we'll do some control C and docker save base -image -o /tmp /base image dot tar ctr -n equal to k8s.io images import /tmp /base image dot tar, then ctr -n image ls grep base image. So I'm getting now control L a delete pod demo dot pod a apply hyphen f pod dot yaml a get pods delete pod demo.pod get pods, so that demo pod is running. Now exec into the pod. So kubectl exec hyphen it demo pod hyphen id. This is the way we can protect. So security context is a very important topic, and we'll do a little more in detail. But for now, thank you so much for your love and support.